Hi Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for Libra June 21 or June 21st to June the 23rd, no? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell para po ma-notify po kayo every time tayo ay nagre-release po, no, ng bagong video. And Libra, kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, meron din po doon sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At nagla-live din po tayo doon. So you're very much welcome kung gusto niyo pong sumali. No? So Libra, I want you to know that this is a general reading. Now, you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate dun sa mga bits and pieces lang, no, ng reading. So take what's only yours. So magsimula na tayo, Libra, no? Siguro tinatanong natin sa sarili natin, ano ba ang ginawa ko, no, sa buhay? Bakit ako na-bless ng ganito, no? Or ano ba ang gagawin ko para ma-bless, no, ng or maambunan ng biyaya or ng sabihin natin pag-asa man, no? What I am seeing in here is you're so much focused into your heart space, no? Siguro dahil nandito tayo sa mga moon phases, no, planetary alignments, and what I am seeing in here is parang lately masyado tayong emotional, no? Doon sa mga Libra na parang feeling nila is medyo hindi maganda yung takbo ng relasyon, no? Ang nakikita ko is more of iniisip nyo, paano ko kaya susolusyonan? Paano kaya ako hihingi, no, ng tulong? Napapakinggan kaya ang aking dasal, no? I think that for those who have issues or problems, no, sa mga partners nila, walang kapantay yung pasensya, ano, at yung pagmamahal na binibigay niyo from the bottom of your heart, talagang devoted. Doon naman po sa mga walang issues dito na nakikita ko, no, parang iniisip mo, paano ko siya masusuklian, no? Kumbaga, napakabuti ng person ko sa akin. Paano ko maibibigay sa kanya yung bagay na ibinibigay niya, kasi parang feeling ko sobra-sobra and I don't know how to reciprocate, no, yung ganito ka-generous, no, na tao. With the King of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune, I feel like sa sobrang generous, no, pwede itong investment of time or investment of literally, no, material things and medyo mahal. Siguro si person is hindi siya ganun ka-vocal when it comes to saying I love you, no. Meron ito kasing with the King of Cups, no, yung emotion niya is greater or mas nagwo-weigh kesa dun sa kanyang vocals, no. King of Cups is a person who's expressive in different ways but not vocally. Yan. So, pwedeng ang love language ni person is pagbibigay ng regalo, no? Sana all. And yung iba dito is hindi lang ito basta regalo, it's actually expensive, no? And it's something that kahit walang event, no? Whether it is expensive, whether it is, yung maliliit na bagay, but it really comes from the heart, and that what makes the material things becomes priceless, di ba? Kung hindi naman ito regalo, baka ito yung kanyang mga love language na PDAs, no? And I feel like there are, for a few numbers of you, siguro nandun kayo sa mga water signs, no, na mga partners, which is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yung iba, no? With the Two of Pentacles, the Fool card, and the Five of Cups. So, parang napansin ninyo na minsan nangihinayang kayo kasi um, either kung expensive man siya, no, baka pwedeng iniisip nyo, ay, instead of yung bulaklak, sana bigas na lang, di ba? Sana may mga choices siya sa buhay na medyo practical, no? Kasi parang sa'yo, all of these things that your person is giving is more of luxury, no? Pwede sigurong hindi well off yung family natin, let's say nasa tama lang. So, or baka talagang matipid lang tayo, no, Libra, lately. Kaya medyo napapansin natin, uy, sana kumbaga yung practical thinking, no, yung medyo nagkikick in. At ang nakikita ko dito is more of medyo nakakatakot in a way, lalo na dun sa mga nagsisimula with the Fool card. For those who just started, a connection, and for this person to spend this kind of money. No? Yung iba naman, we're not talking about money, but this is more of their time. So nakakatakot kasi parang, uy, gwardyado naman ako masyado. No? With the Four of Swords, the Four of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. So what I am seeing in here is medyo maganda ang balance mo and your person kasi ikaw vocal, si person action doer, no? Yung kahinaan niya na magsalita, ikaw yung parang naging spokesperson, no? At yung kahinaan mo ng kilos, siya yung gumagawa. So what I am seeing in here is more of nandun talaga, no? Ang advantage mo kasi is pwede kang magmando, no? Kasi ayaw ko sabihin na medyo tinatamad tayo lately. Baka kasi pagod with the Four of Swords. I think that you're also exhausted mentally, especially lately. Lalo na dito sa mga bago, no? Yung mga merong kaka-enter pa lang ng relationship. Kasi sinasabi nyo, is this person too good to be true? Kasi nakakatakot siya. Meron ba tong hidden agenda? No? Nakakatakot kasi baka hindi ko masuklian, masumbatan naman ako. No? With the Tower and the Knight of Pentacles. So, from what I'm seeing in here, Seven of, okay. Siguro ang nagiging problema dito is more of trust issues, no? Trust issues kasi Libra, you've gone through a different kind of relationship, no? And nakita mo yung mga ganitong mga actions, no? Kumbaga, comes from your experiences. Parang sinasabi mo, may ginawa tong kasalanan, nagloloko to. Kumbaga, tinatabunan niya yung ginagawa niya, no? Dahil sa mga panloloko niya. So, nandoon yung, actually, ang mahirap dito, no? And what I think it's unfair is for a person to be accused of doing something behind your back just because you've experienced those kind of unfortunate events from the past wherein wala namang ginagawa yung tao, no? It might be a residue of a trauma coming from the past. It just so happened that, yung tao ngayon, yung person ngayon, siya yung nag-harvest of your trauma from the past. And that's what I think it's unfair, no? But I feel like wala naman siyang ginagawa at I feel like medyo matalak lang tayo. But I want you to know that whatever this person is doing, it really comes from the heart. So, love na love ka ni person. Congratulations. And Libra, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign to confirm, no? Kung ano ang kanilang zodiac. It may be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Leo, Sagittarius. I'm also seeing Taurus, um, Pisces. I'm seeing, yeah, Capricorn. Aries is also here. Cancer is here. So this is your reading, Libra. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, nandun po yan sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. May ibang readings din po tayo doon, so take advantage of checking all of those. And pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section sa YouTube, hindi po sa TikTok, sa YouTube. Nung sasagutin po natin yan as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung feeling nyo po hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, sa comment section po, there is a link, no? All you just have to do is either to copy the link or click the link. You will be routed to my website, no? And nandun po lahat ng information. So nandun po yung modes of payment, how much per question. And we have a promotion of 4 questions plus 1. So that's already a discounted price. And if you also want to avail, ang ating private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. So Libra, this is your question. This is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye po, Libra. You want the